sure you get your back of the tongue. If you have smaller lips, listen up.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna teach you guys something, how to kiss. We're gonna do like a small tutorial, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna put it in steps. So grab your notebook, grab your pen, because this will help you. So the first and most important thing you have to make sure before you kiss anyone is that your breath smells nice.
Good, yeah.
Use gum, brush your teeth, floss, brush your tongue. People forget about their tongue. That's where the
things stay.
That's
more,
where the smell comes from. I know a tip to know if your breath stinks. You're gonna take your wrist, whatever, and then you're gonna do that. And if your hand smells, that means your breath smells, and you got to do something about that. Make sure you get your back of the tongue, and if it smells fresh,
then you go for it.
Then you're good.
Then
you got the first step right.
Yeah. Now it's about the date, because the hygiene, right?
Hygiene, yeah.
Hygiene. Okay. You should have a date, to do that kiss.
Yeah, you have to have someone.
Yeah, someone for sure.
And you want to make sure the vibe is right, that you're comfortable,
Yeah. If it's not the vibe, you cannot go for the kiss. Or
if you want to make sure the vibe is right, wait on the second date.
There are some signs. No, okay. If the vibe is not good, wait for the second date to go for the kiss.
Yeah.
So there are some vibes you can notice from a girl, or if you're the girl,
or the guy.
You can notice from the guy.
Yeah.
If you should go for that kiss or no.
If she's looking into your eyes or looking at your lips and kind of slowly leaning in,
that's one hint.
That's one hint. But if she's not really looking at you, she's like
doing
on her phone. Maybe wait for the second date. If she comes for the second date, that means she's kind of interested, and that's when you can make a move. Because if she comes for a second date, that means it's more chances that she won't.
She wants something.
She won't pull back. Okay, so if you're on your second date or the vibes are right on the first date, what you want to do
is the kiss.
Yeah, you want to kiss each other.
Yes.
So
pretend
I'm the girl on the date.
Yeah.
And we're talking.
Yeah. And she's looking with the
eyes.
At you.
Yeah. And I'm smiling. That's another hint.
Yeah, that's fine. Of course, because you're just looking and you're like.
Because if she's if she seems like she's far apart, but if she's kind of close,
coming close, then you just you're talking and you go like this. But no tongue first kiss. No. There's no tongue. First, how I would do it, we'll kiss one time, and if she's into it, then you go for more kisses, right? So let's do it. You can notice if she like it when you end that kiss, she's like, that's good.
Coming in for
she's coming for another one. So then we go to another one.
Okay, so you got 2 kisses in without any tongue, and the vibe is right.
Was right, yeah.
Then you wanna maybe add a little bit of tongue.
We're gonna show it.
So you're gonna kiss, and you're gonna slowly. You do not want to be.
No, of course not.
No. No one likes that.
Cause something like that.
You won't come back for more.
They are like this,
She won't come back for more. That might be your last kiss with her, just saying. You're kind of just keeping your tongue
near, not put
that
the
much.
tongue.
So
a little bit.
A little bit, okay?
Yeah. Not you go
Yeah, you're not sticking it any further
Yeah, we're saying
That's not what we're doing, okay? You wanna bring it back.
And then you can you go more kisses. You can add you can bite her bottom lip a little bit, to make more sexier the kiss.
Okay,
but not that much for sure, because
you don't want to bite the girl's lip. It's gonna be painful.
That's what I'm saying, little bit.
She won't like it, but a little bit will turn her on.
and then you go more for a kiss.
Yeah. Okay. So
you book a hotel, you go to your house, go to her house, something. Okay, whatever.
Okay, as you can tell, I have bigger lips.
I have.
And he has smaller lips.
Smaller.
So, if you have smaller lips, listen up. When you have small lips, you have to really use your lips, okay? You can't just...
Yeah, I know, because
they're gonna kiss nothing but your skin.
Yeah,
you know?
a line.
So you really wanna, this is gonna be a little bit graphic. You really wanna do this.
Yeah.
Like you wanna really like...
Stretch your lips.
Yeah.
Because for them, you know, for them it's okay. But for us...
Okay, show how you do it.
Oh, how I do it?
Yeah.
Like, I don't know how to demonstrate it, but they can see it when we kiss.
You kind of like want to stick your lips out
and then you
and
pull
go
it,
back
yeah.
in.
But pull it slowly, not like directly.
Yeah.
So it can make the
so
difference. Yeah,
okay,
kinda like that. Like kinda, I don't know.
So open your mouth. So you're gonna see us do it, okay?
Okay.
Because I want to be, they want to see your lips do it, okay? So you have to be on that side. I don't know if you saw that, we'll do it again.
So we just have to do it. Like, you know.
Yeah,
like,
you really have to.
Yeah.
Because I had experience. It's not fun if you have small lips and you're just doing. No.
But depends on the person, you know, sometimes. Depends more on the person how he kiss.
I know, but you can practice.
Yeah,
so you
of course.
can be better.
That's why we're doing this.
Yeah.
You know, so they can do a better kiss.
Yes.
Yeah.
I hope that helped you.
A lot.
Because...
to be a better kisser.
Yeah. That's all we want.
Yeah. So I hope you guys like this kissing
video.
Tutorial
and you learned something.
You learned something, yeah.
Comment your worst experiences.
Yeah, that's better, yeah.
Because I know there's some bad ones out there and I would love to read them.
If you are new in the channel, please subscribe to us. Please, please, please. It's gonna help us a lot. Thank you.
I hope you had a good day. If not, we hope you made your day just a little bit better. And we'll be back
for more videos.